Basil is cultivated in many parts of the world, but most commonly associated with Italian and Southeast Asian cuisine. It's the main ingredient used in Italian pesto. Basil grows very fast, so this is the perfect recipe to make good use of it. Let's start by separating the leaves from the stems. The easiest way to remove the skin from the garlic is to crush it with a knife. You can see how easy it comes off. A blender is essential for mixing all the ingredients together and creating a smooth and creamy pesto sauce. Put the basil and garlic in. Add the nuts and Parmesan cheese. Drizzle enough olive oil so that your mixture becomes smooth after blending it. You'll need quite a bit, and you can always add more later if needed. Finish with ground sea salt and black pepper. Pulse the blender to start mixing the ingredients. I can already tell I need more olive oil. After adding more olive oil, I now have the creamy texture I want. One of my favorite ways to use pesto is to put it on salmon and bake it in the oven. The flavors seep down into the salmon and give it a nice, rich, and herbal taste. However, pesto is most commonly used with pasta. Mix it together really well so that the noodles are evenly coated with the pesto. Cultivated, common or commonly, associated, separating, stems, crush, blender, essential, smooth, creamy, Parmesan, pulse, Seep, Herbal.